Observing the eagle can teach us valuable lessons about our own potential. The eagle symbolizes inspiration with its strength, keen eyesight, and ability to soar. Following their example, we can embody their remarkable qualities and fulfill our responsibilities gracefully and skillfully. Let us draw upon their wisdom to overcome obstacles and find boundless inspiration, ascending to new levels of knowledge and interdependence. Just like the free spirit of the eagle, let us spread our wings and reach for the skies.